reveal as well. I've got some electrodes here to pop. I didn't want to I just want to see how much smoke these things create, because these are quite old and dried out, so I just snipped them so they vent. So there's yeah, some of the vent, and see if any smoke comes out. If smoke does come out, they've still got electrolyte on them. But if no smoke comes out or they don't do much, well, they're already pretty much dried out. That's my earth. The ground is earth. The only earth transformer's getting is not from the core, but from the earth that's connected through there. The earth switch is turned on. It's earthing through the main circuit to ground. So when I turn the power on, it's arcing to the ground. As you can see, the cap just still somewhat resonates. That was kind of surprising. It's resonating a bit. There you go. I didn't know that. The capacitor, that low voltage. Poor stinks. That's interesting. There you go, capacitor was connected in the circuit. Well, if that capacitor wasn't bad to begin with, it's definitely bad now. The electrolyte's still drying out. Smooth arcing. Whoa, that was bright. The rest is working. The MOT's not even discoloring, not even slightly. Okay, safety check. Only not even as warm as body temperature. That's doing a bloody good job of keeping that from going up in flames. So be careful with this bloody wire. This is a 12-volt wire, and that's gonna arc straight through the ground. That's gonna break down at that voltage. So I gotta be careful with I might actually look for some more of this hose and just run it all the way so it's extra safe. I'll need some sunglasses for this. I gotta look at this with the camera. What's for dinner tonight? Electrolytic capacitor guts. That's more interesting than just a pop. That's cool. That's more interesting. That's way more interesting than a pop. If there was enough sand content in this dirt, this would be turning the glass a bit. Dallas is red hot. MOT is not. I could sit here all day and that MOT's just not going to complain. just be very careful of this thing, and I think of doing this for yours, because yeah, that capacitor, just think what the bloody hell that thing could do to you, so be bloody careful. Once once something is cooked, you cannot go back. That's how my theory. This is going to smoke all day. Next one. I can't get a good arc off of that though, because it's a bad connection. That's not such a bad connection there. No hands. That was a bit warm, not complaining. Safety check. I'm not getting any warmer. It's just quite fun. I am looking at this thing through the camera, so good way to discard of unwanted electronics, bad or not. This is more fun than just sticking them in the microwave. Fireworks display within the circuit board. That is bright. Now I'm only looking at this to the camera, and if it's that bright on camera, that must be damn bright. They're going to hold it in the one spot and they get a good connection. There you go, fireworks display. Look at that, not complaining. Yeah, I think it's fused to earth. If I hold it after a while, it's a dead short, no arc, so it must fuse and melt to the earth properly. It's pretty interesting. There you go. Normally, but here, transistor go pop. No. Resistors go pop. Not either. Oh, that's bright. Inside a capacitor. Look at that. Fuse it to earth. Resistor's gotten red hot. Yeah. Whoever thought MOTs could be so much fun? All you gotta do is just know how to tame them and you can run them just right and they'll be happy as they are. All you need is just some, like a heating element, wired in series, live into that, and neutral just goes straight to the power point. All you gotta do is hot wire that or hard wire that into the live, and that will just limit the current from that primary and that transformer. Yeah, it's definitely lasted longer than 5 minutes and it's not complaining. As you can see, I got a good arc, but if I move it, I got no arc. So, alright, I'm gonna just sit this on the ground, just, yeah. So I can through here, all the way through the main circuit. So you gotta have a separate circuit when you're doing this sort of thing. Right, that's off. Has not gotten any warmer. Honestly, that has not gotten very warm at all. Just barely lukewarm. I'll be careful here, it's going to be hot obviously. I'm going to get a flashlight or a torch. And yeah. Yeah, the ground's heated up. Let's see if what I've actually done to the soil to make it more conductive. Look at that. Not even the slightest piece of discoloration at all. A couple of dirt's just dried out, demoisturised. Some resistors and some. There you go. That's hard. Yeah, I think that ground actually feels like concrete actually, so they must have melted it to some point. Melted the solder. So when that was sitting on there, that solder actually melted, and you can see where it fused to the ground. That is bloody hard, I cannot move that. So that's actually soldered to earth, literally soldered to the ground. That is unbelievable. So yeah, I can't, that's soldered literally to the ground, I cannot believe that. So there you go. You want to solder something to earth, this is how you do it, literally solder it to earth itself. Alright viewers, that's enough fun for, well, tonight. It's nearly dark out here, so thanks for watching.